ISIS commander killed among 11 killed in Syrian raids. They couldn't tell who was bombing. But a cub, a young kid was killed. A young soldier kid was killed. All the cubs that they killed. Sharia law. These children have no rights, and women have no rights. But ISIS is killing everything in sight. Of dead bodies, now you're getting skin disease in the country. If we let refugees in, we have to be sure that they're vetted, they're investigated. How can you do that? Donald Trump is wrong to say that American Muslims that have left the country cannot come back and commit, because it's wrong, because they're Americans. But are these people who are coming here, do they want to live under Syrian law, or do they want to live under American law? But ISIS killed 11, killed Syria air raids. But I guess that, it's a no-win scenario, because they couldn't smuggle ISIS fighters in here. And the sadness of human life is people are going to die. People are going to die. They have to be stopped. Too many people are dying in Syria. Way, way too many. Being slaughtered by ISIS. And Bashar Assad. Need to get the rebels together all in one group. Have a search for peace. And then we can just concentrate on getting rid of ISIS. And it's not going to be an easy task. It's not going to be a hard one to realize that this has to be done. This has to be done. This is some big historical news. Thank you for watching.